Then who was that DJ that played before you and or maybe after you? And then after that you realize that you know what, I was playing trash.
Have I felt that? I don't think I would consider it trash. I would.
Or let me say you're about to go next and the DJ that's playing now somehow they're scaring you. You no longer trust yourself. There's never been that situation.
Nah. Because thing is, I really prepare myself, and I don't look at another person, for me to feel good. Because I really do prepare myself for every gig. Each and every gig, I really do prepare myself. So whenever I'm gonna go play, I know that okay, this one I prepared for it, and I'm gonna do my best. So nothing like that has ever happened yet.